How to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can unrestrict someone on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's say you open Messenger, you just happen to long press on a chat and then you restricted them. But now you decide that you want to unrestrict them, but you're not finding the option. Well, that's because it's hidden somewhere else. So you open Messenger and then you tap the three lines option from here. Then just go to this gear icon, which is the settings option. From the settings option here, you can simply go, and here you have to go to privacy and safety. So once you go to privacy and safety, here under who can reach you can see restricted accounts. So now all you have to do is go to restricted accounts, and then here you'll actually find the accounts that you restricted. Select them, tap the unrestrict option, and then they will get successfully unrestricted. This way you can unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.